45. The kneeling. This is a Makki Surah and it is the sixth among the surahs that begin with HaMim. It has 37 verses in 4 sections. The surah warns those who deny the divine truth. It talks about human arrogance and sinfulness. The judgment of Allah will cover all the people. The nations will stand before Him in the kneeling condition. Introduction to the sections. Number 1. Allah's signs are all over in the universe and in our own soul. Those who deny the revelation of God will see punishment of Allah. Number 2. Follow the clear path of truth. Number 3. Some people have made their desires their God. They also deny the hereafter. Number 4. People will stand before Allah on their knees. Their record of deeds will be presented to them.